my IUD was trying to exit. I didn't think like it would be me, because how is it gonna get in there? How? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will tell you how I found I was pregnant with baby number 3 while on IUD. Coming up next, the IUD I had was called Liletta. I'm gonna put the name here. I didn't do any research on the IUD, to be honest. I just went to my doctor. I was like, I need something that's gonna keep me from getting pregnant, and I need it now. And so she recommended the Liletta, and then she said, you're good to go for 3 years. She inserted that thing inside me, and I was like, I'm good to go for 3 years. I didn't really think anything of it. I just knew that I was good to go. And so I was going about my business, you know, every month. So prior to me finding I was pregnant, like I said, I had been having all these pregnancy symptoms, and I always blamed it on the IUD just because I knew that it was hormonal, and those were kind of like some of the side effects that it was, I guess, it had on my body. And at this point I had been on a diet, and I had been losing weight. I started looking like a baby girl, like, you know, I was just like this hot mommy. And so I was just thinking, yeah, you know, I'm looking good, I'm looking right, yo, not knowing something was cooking up under there. So after a while I started eating back again. I was super duper tired again. I just started blaming it on the IUD, and I was just like over it. I'm like, man, next month comes, I'm gonna take out this IUD. I'm just so over it. Yo, literally a week or 2 weeks after, I started having all these dreams of people around me being pregnant. Like I had a dream my friend was pregnant, my cousin was pregnant. Like I would call my friend, I'm like, man, I had a dream you were pregnant. She was like, God forbid, over my dead body. I'm like, it's just pregnancy, it's not a bad thing. Anyways, I didn't think like it would be me, because how is it gonna get in there? How? So at this point I'm not even thinking like, okay, let me go grab a pregnancy test. It wasn't until I had a clear dream of me taking a pregnancy test, one of those clear blue pregnancy that has the plus and minus sign. It was clear. I took the pregnancy test. I actually got it from Target too. I took the test, and that test was like, I had a dream. So in my dream I took the pregnancy test, and that test came out positive. So when I woke up that day I was like, okay, you know what, let me just grab a test, because I have been having all these dreams of people being pregnant left and right. Now me, I'm pregnant in my own dream. Let me go grab a test. So I went to Target, just like I had it in my dream. I went to Target, grabbed the test, those clear blue, came home, took the first one. Tell me why the blue line, or the plus sign showed up first before the minus. So that's when I knew for a fact that I was pregnant while on IUD. You know how you sometimes like you would take a pregnancy test and like wait? I didn't have to wait. So at this point I'm like, okay, let me hit up Dr. Google. Let me see. I started googling pregnant while on IUD, pregnant, and yo, tell me why all these risks and how you could potentially die, your child could die, God forbid. I was just like, yo, let's chill. Like, what? This is not my portion. This cannot be my portion. I was like, no, God forbid. And then I went on YouTube, of course, and I started googling, and I saw these, you know, some women who had experienced that. So I was like, okay, so I'm not alone. So this actually happens, but you know, it comes with a lot of risks, and it's actually it's true, like it happens, and there's a lot of risks associated to that. I can't even put in words how I felt. Really, it was just a weird feeling, and then I was very, you know, scared after reading all those risks that came with being pregnant while on IUD. And so I was just like, okay, I need to make an appointment and go see the doctor. So I made an appointment, and I went to go see this doctor. He started telling me about all these risks that came with being pregnant while on IUD. Like, you know, you could miscarry, you could lose your this and that, you could, like, so many crazy things. It was like you could actually give birth while on IUD. Like you could still have it inserted into you and have a child, or you can take it out and have a child. But either way, it comes with a lot of risk. Basically, that's what he was trying to tell me. But I didn't really like the way he went about it. I felt like he just wasn't caring, and so I changed to another doctor. So when I went to this other doctor, she was so sweet. Like, she was so sweet. She obviously told me the risk as well, but she told me in a way that you know, like it wasn't so like, yeah, you were about to die or your child is about to die, like God forbid, of course, you know, it wasn't like that. Anyways, I ended up going to her instead, and so, you know, following my weekly appointments and stuff like that. Now usually you would have like monthly appointment, but because I had an IUD in me, they had to do like every week I had to go in and got checked just to make sure that, you know, the baby was growing well, like the HCG levels or whatever were, you know, actually doubling up and everything was going well, basically. And so when she asked me, and this was actually after everything, but before that she asked me if I wanted to either leave it in or take it out. After my husband and I discussed about it, we just thought, because either way it was going to be risky either way, so we just said, you know what, let's just take it out if we can, you know, why not. So when I went to my, that's why I just, when I just think about it, I just thank God, because it's like this baby was meant to be, was meant for us and for this world, and I just pray that everything he's going to do will prosper, will be great. We'll just give God glory. We'll just give God glory, because at the end of the day, God brought him here for the world, for him to do great things. So anyways, what was I saying? So yeah, we discussed about it and we thought about it. We just said, okay, either way, let's just take it out. Then the doctor was like, you know, checking to see where it was, and then she was like, oh, what is this? Literally, like not even 2 minutes into her getting into my private part, yeah, she was like, oh, what is it? She was just able to pull it out, and that was it. Literally, it was just right there. And then she said she had those cases where the IUD had moved so much, like it was literally trying to come out. My IUD was trying to exit. She was like, well, we're gonna keep monitoring you every week, and up until I was being monitored weekly up until I was 16 weeks pregnant. Everything was looking good. They did a lot of tests, everything came back good, like all the results came back good. And so, you know, I'm very, very just grateful that it happened the way it happened. Although the pregnancy was definitely a hard one, I don't think it had anything to do with the IUD. I'm not sure, it could be, but it was definitely hard on my body. It could also be because the sex was different from, you know, my previous pregnancies. But anyways, I don't know. But yeah, that's how I found out I was pregnant and how my IUD was trying to exit. But you know, hey, here we are with a beautiful baby boy. I am super duper excited. I feel so blessed to have my baby. And yeah, if something like this has ever happened to you, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Now I'm thinking about trying the armor up. I might do the armor up, because that one, at least I know that, I mean, it will not be moving anywhere, and I know that it's still not 100%, but I feel like, you know, it could be the best option for me. So I don't know, I will definitely do my research on it, because the hormones, oh god, it's not even funny. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. God bless. Bye.